gozaimasu, minasan. Ito na naman po ang inyong Simplicity Mamshi. Sana po may matutunan kayo uli. I'm Simple Des. Yorishiku onegaishimasu ne. Today's lesson is 7 days of the week. Sa 7 days of the week, kung mapapansin ninyo mga katomodachi, lagi ang nasa hulihan ay yobi. Yobi. Halos lahat. Kaya madali niyong tandaan yon. Madali niyong matatandaan. In English, Monday. Monday. In Japanese, Gichiyobi. 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 In English, Tuesday. Tuesday. In Japanese, Kayobi. 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 In English, Wednesday. Wednesday. In Japanese, Suyobi. 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 In English, Thursday. Thursday. In Japanese, Mokoyobi. 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 In English, Friday. Friday. In Japanese, Kinyobi. 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 In English, Saturday. Saturday. In Japanese, Duyobi. 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 In English, Sunday. Sunday. In Japanese, Nichiyobi. 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 Ito po ang 7 days of the week. Punta naman tayo sa months of the year. Sa months of the year naman, madali na rin matatandaan kasi ang pinakahuli niya ay laging may gatsu. Gatsu. Halos lahat yan. Months of the year. January. In English, January. In Japanese, Ichigatsu. 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 In English, February. February. In Japanese, Nigatsu. 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 In English, March. March. In Japanese, Sangatsu. 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 In English, April. April. In Japanese, Shigatsu. 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 In English, May. May. In Japanese, Gugatsu. 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 In English, June. June. In Japanese, Rokugatsu. 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 In English, July. July. In Japanese, Shichigatsu. 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 In English, August. August. In Japanese, Hachigatsu. 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 In English, September. September. In Japanese, Kugatsu. 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 In English, October. October. In Japanese, Jugatsu. 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 In English, November. November. In Japanese, Juichigatsu. 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 In English, December. December. In Japanese, Junigatsu. 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 Days of the months. In English, first. First. In Japanese, Shitachi. 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 In English, second. Second. In Japanese, 2日、2日、2日、2日. In English, third day of the month. 3日、3日、3日. In English, fourth, 8日、8日、8日. Fifth, 5日、5日、5日. In English, sixth, in Japanese, もういか、もういか、もういか. In English, seventh. In Japanese, 7日、7日、7日. In English, eighth, 8日. Long sounds. Ito kasi maiksi lang ang pagkasabi ng yoka. Ito ay long, haba. Yoka, yoka, yoka. In English, ninth. In Japanese, kokonoka, kokonoka. In Japanese, in English rather, tenth. In Japanese, toka. In English, 14th. Japanese, 14日. In English, 20th. In Japanese, 20日. In English, 24th. In Japanese, 24日. 24日. In English, 11th day of the week. 11日. In Japanese, 11日. 11日. In English, 12. In Japanese, 12日. 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 In English, 13th. In Japanese, 13日. 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 In English, 15th. In Japanese, 15日. 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 In English, 16th. In Japanese, 16日. 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 In English, 17th. In Japanese, 17日. 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 Or 17日. 17日. In English, 18th. In Japanese, 18日. 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 In English, 19th. In Japanese, 19日. 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 In English, 21st. 21st. In Japanese, 21日。21日。21日。In English, 22. 22. In Japanese, 22日。22日。22日。In English, 23rd. 23rd. In Japanese, 23日。23日。23日。In English, 25th. 25th. In Japanese, 25日。25日。25日。In English, 26th. 26th. In Japanese, 26日。26日。26日。In English, 27th. 27th. In Japanese, 27日。27日。27日。or 27日。27日。27日。In English, 28th. 28th. In Japanese, 28日。28日。28日。28日。In English, 29th. 29th. In Japanese, 29日。29日。29日。In English, 30. 30. In Japanese, 30日。30日。30日。31st day of the month. And the last, 31st. In Japanese, 31日。31日。31日。Ito pong mga ito ay ang day of the month. Parin yung sa calendar. 1 to 30. Sa Japanese naman, 1 to 31. Yun. First, second, hanggang 31. Sana po may naintindihan po kayo. Arigato ne. Minasan katomodachi ko dyan. Mata yoroshiku onegai shimasu ne. じゃあねー。